Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the contoured washer on your stove. The reason why we had to do this is because the washer is broken, damaged, or missing, and the screw isn't staying in place properly. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT15 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our door here, and you'll see here we've got a screw on this side as well as a screw on that side. This one has a washer in place as well. This one is missing its washer, and you can also see that if we push up on the handle that it's a little bit loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this old screw, and then we can push the screw out from the bottom here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement washer. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. This washer comes in packs of 12, so if you're missing multiple washers, you'll have plenty of extras, or you can have spare extras for the future. So we're going to put our washer onto our screw here, and now we're going to put the screw through this hole, and there's a little piece of metal that it was fed through. So we're going to also put it through that piece of metal right there and line it up with the screw hole. And once we got it all lined up, start it a little bit and screw it down. Now that we've got it screwed in, you can see here it's nice and tight, it's not moving anywhere. So you can close up your door and your repair is complete. So a friend of mine was trying to annoy me with bird puns. Well, toucan, play at that game. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.